Today we'll cover the quick launch bar. I am currently on the agent dashboard in FlexMLS. Looking at the upper left, next to the FlexMLS logo, we have the quick launch bar. And people often enter addresses or MLS numbers in this bar, but we'll go over some of the other information you can search for as well. So say I want to look up a specific client. I have fake user set up. So I'll enter fake user. And looking at this dropdown, we can see under contacts, I have fake user. We can also see that I have a CMA for fake user. And we have a couple saved searches for fake user as well. You can also search for other members. So I could enter Tom Cole. And in this drop down here where it says members, we have Thomas Tom Cole. Brings me to his details, and I could click view member listings right from here. Now, going back to this quick launch bar, you can also start a quick search using basic criteria. So if I enter 2 bed, 2 bath, Saco, and then 300K to 500K, and then select residential. That brings me to results, and if I click edit search, that's a convenient way to get a search started. And of course, from here, you could add more criteria if you would like. We can also do a radius search from this bar here. So I'll do near 6 Mayflower Drive, Biddeford. Select residential. And it brings me to a list of results. If I click edit search, I can see this radius search here. In this case, near means 2 miles. I could also put in a specific distance. So instead of near, I'm going to change it to 4 miles from 6 Mayflower Drive, Biddeford. And again, click residential. And now we can see there are more results, and we have a wider radius search.
We hope you found this quick tip video helpful. If you did, give it a like. Also, check out the rest of the Main Listings YouTube channel for even more videos like this one.